Hi folks, this is one I've just done for Patreon. I'm doing a couple this morning. I neglected them for a few days in favour of the oil paintings for YouTube. This is a very simple painting that I've done for my patrons to explain aerial perspective and how to do a very quick wet in wet sky. I've only used one brush. I used the rigger for the birds and the signature, but that's about all really. I've done all that with the large romance and hake. So you've got the cool colours in the sky and the middle distance coming forward, and then this beach I've made warm. I've added some nice burnt sienna mixed with a bit of cadmium yellow. I've gone back to watercolours for a little while because I've run out of cadmium red. I used it all up on the 2 flower paintings I did for you on YouTube. But anyway, you can see this on Patreon if you wish, and if you wish to make a contribution to the expenses of the site, go on Patreon. There's no commitment. You go on for a month or 2 months or as long as you like, and you can contribute what you like. It's all very inexpensive. I charge about $4 for 1 month, and you can watch over 400 videos on there. Also, I've put a few paintings on Etsy. Well, I've got about 80 paintings, 70 or 80 paintings on there now. I don't tend to take them off. I leave them on because sooner or later someone will like them. Right, okay, well that's all I've got to say on that one. I'm going to crack on with another one now, but I'll get this one uploaded, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day and keep safe. Bye bye.